Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about Dexta Daps and the owner video. Okay? Video review. So the man they do a bag of things in the video. A bag of things in the video. Oh my god. The video shot. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on Dexta Daps owner video, please keep on watching. So Dexta Daps actually dropped the intro album a few months ago, which big up souflotv. He talked about in one of his videos, and I went and I listened to it actually, and I loved all the songs on the intro album, every single one. Me never have to skip none. Me never have to say, oh, that one, I know, me can't really relate to this. I wanna, like, all the songs on his intro album are amazing, and people need to give him props. Like, this, he doesn't fall in a specific category. You know, fall in the reggae category, you know, fall in the dancehall category. He's in that middle area where he can swing going a dancehall when he feel like, and he can swing going a reggae when he feel like, and he can bust a bad man song when he feel like, and he can bust out love up song when he feel like he caters to everybody in the whole dancehall reggae music. You know, I do just one type of music. Like, for instance, I don't do a lot of bad man song, a lot of winding up song, a lot of woman song, but Dexta Daps bring that love, that sexy vibe, I should say, to the reggae dancehall scene. And I also feel like he's one of those artists in the dancehall music industry that can very well and very easily cross over. Like, for instance, Sean Paul, Shabba Ranks, like, those people are crossover dancehall artists and made it big on the international scene, collaborating with international artists and getting international notoriety, basically. And I feel like Dexta Daps is going to be that one person in our generation that's going to be the big crossover artist. And not, a lot of people don't get that opportunity to cross over and be not only authentic Jamaican, but can mix you up and flip you up. So the owner video. So Dexta Daps in a one tub, one pool with one girl, and then they have sex, and then go in the liquor playroom, and that is the liquor pool table, and they have sex on the two pool table, and Dexta Daps stroke the girl leg and just a bag of things, and they're making love, and it's so passionate and all these other things. And a lot of people have a lot of negative stuff to say. I saw one girl on Facebook talking about how the girl here not even do, and she a bitch because Dexta Daps not even spend no money pan or hair or any of that. Like, honestly, it's no need. Like, for video vixens or video models, it's their job. Just like how everybody have them 9 to 5 or them liquor hustlings what them do. For a video vixen, a video like this is her job. Whether or not she spend her time on her hair or Dexta Daps spend time on her hair, that's none of her business. She went there to do a specific job, and that's what she accomplished. She made you guys believe that they were actually having sex, and that's their job. As an actor, as somebody in the entertainment industry, you have to convince people of what you're doing. Like how Vybz Kartel convinced everybody say I'm a bad man. Okay? When he's one of the most intelligent, most intellectual person in the dancehall industry, the most business savvy in the dancehall industry also. So it's all that image, that persona that a person puts on when he or she is doing something specific. So I'm not gonna lie, the video shot is very sensual, sexual. me glad so Dexta Daps is bringing that side back to not only the dancehall reggae music industry, but that side of love, that side of sex, like real sexuality and sexiness. Because I feel like that whole that whole feeling was like gone from the gauge down in your throat, girl, and push up hood this and push up that. They really left out the woman having sex, like making love. Like that's the part of dancehall that was missing, and he bring that part across so vividly, so effortlessly. Like him do the thing on another level when nobody else can do it, and he gets much props from me for this album. Actually, I downloaded his whole album, the whole of it. I have it on my phone right now, and most of the time when I get ready for do my YouTube video, do my makeup, or do my hair, I listen to his album, because all the songs on his album are really good. They upset, like me and Sofa was having this conversation, like why did he do it for free? But in today day and age, Jamaican people don't really buy music like that. But we know there were some people that would support him, but Jamaican people don't really buy music. So I understand that he wanted to just put a body of work out there so it can stand alone, and something that he can say, oh yeah, I have an album, and get the notoriety of having an album, basically. So the album shot, I hope you guys go check out the full album, listen to all the tracks. All the tracks are relatable. If you're a real yard person, you can relate to every single one of the tracks them. So I really love what he's bringing to the dancehall scene. And Dexta Daps surely kick way Aisha on a foot. Like him kick way Aisha on a foot, bop, out of the scene. Like what me say, kicky way. Everybody was talking about Aisha and the whole equal rights thing, and Dexta Daps just come kill the scene with the video, and the girl looks amazing. Her body up, her hair look good. All of who they talk about the girl here no look good, and she had this and she had that. Her hair look good, her body up. Yeah, I don't care if her body's fake or not fake. Her body look good, but to me, her body look authentic. Look like Yannick, the curvy diva body. No pun intended, no shade, no tea. Our body look very feminine and very natural, and it's good to see a woman enjoying her body and can be sexual. When is it okay for a woman to be sexual and love their body and be genuine and authentic? People act like it's a crime to actually show your body or show things that God gave to you. Like it's 2017. A woman is supposed to be able to express themselves however they want, and if they want to show them body naked on video, and that's what make them happy and that's what make them confident, I don't see the problem with it. I feel like everybody should love their body, whatever type of body you have, and this video right here shows exactly that. Big up yourself, Dexta Daps. Big up to the girl in the video. I don't even know her name or who she is, but big up to you. The thing shot, you did, like, they made this video so convincing. People actually think they have real life sex in the video. It's just acting, guys. You guys can like chill out. Then act. It's a video. They never did really have sex. I mean, here some people that say, oh, she a lesbian, and oh, she a this, and oh, she a that. Even if she's a lesbian, that's her job, and that's her job to convey a specific performance in the video. And round of applause to her. She did it to a T, to the best of her ability. She did the damn thing as far as the whole video is concerned, and acting like they were actually have sex. And upon the video, like, this is like a good 7.5, 8 for me. Like, it's not nothing that I haven't done in my own sex life. I don't know what me not see already, and I don't know what me not do already. Because my sex life is kind of on a 10, and I feel like this video is kind of like on a 7, 7.5, 8 maybe. But let me left you right there, so, because I know a lot of people will take that out of context and drag you out and all these things. But on the video scale of being raunchy or being too sexual or provocative, I give it like a 7 or 7.5, because if you could put a camera in my bedroom, I guess it would be considered soft porn if you put a camera in my bedroom, and it wouldn't have anything to do with having sex. It would just be like foreplay, whatever. But me talk too much about my own life. Big up to Dexta Daps, big up to the girl in the video. The thing shot it shell away. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. This one right here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce.